electric, passionate, and optimistic. This event stood out to me just simply because of the lineup.
My name is DENTAESTHIQUE.
I'm Dr. Newton Fall.
My name's Thomas Taha.
My name's Dr. Roger Thomas.
Great setup of different kind of lecturers, speaking about morphology, about polychromatic coloring, tinting, and the depth of the visuals of how we can work with composites.
Guys at Tokuyama and Smart created a great event.
The whole setup, the venue choice, the AV, top marks from it.
This is one of the best meetings that I've been to here.
The delegates were also absolutely amazing.
They were focused, they stayed throughout the whole time. Overall, a pretty good crowd.
I've been to lots of different events, but I'm thinking this one's been really quite special. I think it'll be very memorable for everyone in the audience, to be honest.
It's definitely one of the best courses I've done this year, let alone many other years of being in practice.
Smile Academy and Tokuyama has delivered a brilliant event today.